Tools to write content faster. There's so much content out there. How can you make sure that you're keeping up with demand and that your content is actually getting seen? Whether you're streamlining your content strategy, automating portions of it, or updating old posts, content is still king, and you have to write a lot of it as quickly as you can. Want to know 7 of my favorite tools that I use to write blog posts, create social posts, edit content, and organize information? Check out these and tell me what you think. Tool number 1, AnswerThePublic. It helps you discover what your audience is asking for with AnswerThePublic. With this tool, you can discover what your audience is asking for. Just go to AnswerThePublic.com, put in a keyword related to your industry, ideally a 1-word phrase or 2-word phrase, and you get instant raw search data directly from your customers so you can quickly see what they're looking for. For example, if you're in the digital marketing space like I am and I have an ad agency called NP Digital, I may type in terms like digital marketing or ad agency, and it'll tell me what people who are interested in ad agencies are thinking about, looking at, searching on Google, and that way I can adjust my content to adapt to their needs. And it tells you based on what people are looking for right now. It's pulling that fresh data from Google based on trending data on what people are interested in today. Not what they were interested in yesterday or 5 weeks ago or even a year ago, but instead today. Tool number 2, Ubersuggest AI Writer. Check out Ubersuggest AI Writer tool to either write new content or optimize an existing page. Here's the thing that most people don't realize. Do you want to know why Wikipedia ranks so well? It's because their content is continually fresh. Yes, they have a lot of pages, but more than anything else, they keep their pages fresh by continually having people update them and making them amazing. That's how they rank better than the competition. Now, if you go out there and you keep your content fresh and updated, you'll find that your rankings just go through the roof. And using Ubersuggest AI tool, you can put in any paragraphs or any keywords that you need fresh content about, and it can help you rewrite the content and make it better. Tool 3, VistaCreate. Creating world-class social posts in minutes with tens and thousands of templates that you can use would make your life easier, right? That's what VistaCreate can do for you. You should check it out. I've used it. It helps. My team uses it, and it saves me on hiring someone to help us design amazing social content. Instead, we just use a lot of the templates. It gets the same amount of likes and shares. We haven't noticed any difference, but instead, we save on a head count. That way, we don't have to pay someone $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month to do all this stuff manually. Now, you're probably thinking that's a lot of money to spend on a person, but if you're creating a lot of content, it can add up. But with VistaCreate, you can just do it really quick and save that money because they have templates. Tool 4, and this is one of my favorite tools of all. I don't know how anyone can survive without it, or it could just be me because I have poor grammar. The tool is Grammarly. It allows you to edit your content and streamline it for clarity, so that way you don't have tons of errors. Now, I still have errors every once in a while because I don't have the best grammar skills, but whether I'm writing an email, or whether I'm sending out an email blast, or whether I'm writing a blog post or a social post on LinkedIn, it'll correct the spelling issues for me, and I love Grammarly for that, and it doesn't even cost any money. Tool 5, Lumen 5. Lumen 5 helps users create videos online in minutes. With over 10 million videos created across just about every industry, you can create a talking head video and turn blog posts into videos easily. Remember, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all these platforms want video, and you can do that with this tool. They don't care for blog content as much. Tool 6, Portent Content Idea Generator. Awesome tool for creating blog post titles and topic generation, and it breaks down headlines into chunks so you can learn more about why certain words belong and others don't. I love this tool. It's great. I've been using it for probably over 7 or 8 years now, and I continually use it. Still works well today. Tool 7, Hemingway App. Look, there's a lot of tools out there that can help you write. I love the Hemingway app because what this does, it tells you your overall writing level, and you want to dumb it down to make sure that a kindergartner or 5-year-old can understand your content. A lot of people are like, no, I want to be sophisticated so those Ivy League, Harvard people can understand me. Well, here's the thing. Most people didn't go to Harvard. So don't use crazy vocabulary that most people can't understand, because then your content's not going to get read, shared, or linked to. And that's why I love the Hemingway app. It makes sure that your content is amazing, but dumbed down so that way anyone can understand it. Now, if you need help with your marketing, or you just want my team to create your content for you, whether it's organic social or paid social or blog content or video content, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it. If you have any other tools that people should check out, leave a comment below with the tool. And that way it can help the whole community and we can all write content better, faster, and be more organized.